Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of December 2020, and we will see what kind of vibrations are you getting this month from the universe and what can you expect in the month of December from your angels and from the different directions you are or the areas you are into of life. The very first thing what we will read first is your theme of the month card. That is going to be an important card. Also, along with that, before we start, I would like to share my contact numbers with you so that if in case you want to get your personalized reading done with me, you can book your session with me by reaching me on these numbers. You can WhatsApp me or Telegram me on 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. You can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com as well. So let's get ahead and see your cards, Leo. What exactly is in store for you? The cards look very important and very beautiful this month. A lot of good things are happening. A lot of, I will not say bad things, but then there are few things you need to be careful of about in the month of December, specifically your relationship area. Though there is a movement happening, but that movement needs to be very well evaluated before you make a move in relationship, Leo. So let's get ahead and find it out. The very first card. The very first card talks about looking into a book. So this is a book fairy who has appeared in the reading for you, and the book fairy is actually sending you a message wherein it says that before taking any decision, before getting confused in life, before getting negative about any situation in life, look for answers in the religious books. Look for answers in the books which you are surrounded with. Like if I give you my example, if I'm stuck somewhere and I get a little bias in the readings if I do it for myself. So that's one thing. So what I do is I take help from Ramcharitramanas, wherein there are so many dohas, and if I close my eyes, I actually put my finger on that one of the dohas. That I am able to relate to that, and then that is actually a solution to my existing issues or the guidance what I need from the universe. So this is how I do it. You can also try that if you want to, and you can also see that. So there might be some papers you are actually juggling with right now that you need help. So there might be some legal papers, some documents which are right there lying, in your mirror or in your cupboard somewhere, in which you have answers to all your problems. So documents are something, books are something which are actually acting like a friend to you. So you can look for solution in those books for yourself. Okay, moving ahead, week by week, what energies I see here. So the very first week is it is talking about your inner self, Leo. Look like you've become a little introvert right now, and you speak only when it is important. So you are preserving everything. You've become a miser when it comes to words. So talking less and analyzing too much is something which has become your trait for a couple of months now. Now I will say that, but when you why is it that you're not speaking? It is not like that you're very calm and composed inside and this is why you don't want to talk. No, it is not like that. Actually, there's a lot of fire inside you, there's a lot of anger inside you. That's what I see. And I think the first week of December is going to be something wherein someone is trying to test your patience, Leo, and they are actually they are going to test it on a very they're going to go at a very extreme side of it, and then you are going to bust out in the month of December, the very first week. Lot of anger, lot of passion, lot of aggression is actually there in you, inside you. You are not exploring it, but then there is someone who is triggering a key into your anger, and you will blast in the first week. So make sure and be since you are watching this video prior to December has even started, I will say that please evaluate your anger well. Is it worth actually explode if it explodes in front of those people, will it be worth, or what kind of a reputation will you be left with once that thing happens? So that's something you will have to take care of and be careful about, Leo. By reading this these first cards, are moving to the second week. Now here the energies are talking about finances, they're talking about attraction, they're talking about craving for a family. There are a lot of things which are happening. Now what is this happening in the second week? A person who's When I said triggering of your emotions, I think the trigger will happen because of finances. So there can be a financial dispute, verbal dispute with someone close to you, and that's something which was visible in the very first week. Okay, so that's something which is related to finances. With the same energies, when you're moving to the second week of the month, I think there you're meeting someone who's very attractive kind of personality when it comes to your uh, personal life, your relationship area. You're meeting someone who's very attractive, someone who's into luxuries a lot. This is the person's personality, what I relate to. And now, what you want a family with this person. You want a complete family wherein you are also exploring and using the luxurious life what this person is living. So you want your share in his or her life. Maybe you are attracted towards the financial side of it, you are attracted towards the well sound level and of this person in the society, status of this person in the society. That is the point of attraction for you in the month of December, Leo. A few of you are getting attracted towards these people, and because of that, you you might want to make a move from your existing relationship to another one. So you're leaving something settled behind and you're moving ahead. But I told you initially only there's something important which is happening in your cards, and that important thing is this movement which is happening. It will make you and leave you like nowhere in the by the last week. You will realize that because um, the attraction is, it is only attraction. It is, this relationship will not have any solid base where you can make castle of your dreams or something like that. You might be into a physical relationship, might get into a desire based relationship, but then that relationship will not have a future, and you will also know that there is no future of this relationship, but then you're wasting your time here. But then it will be difficult for you to come out of this relationship, and maybe very soon you will realize it also, and then you would want to move out of that. But though you would want to move out of that, but then somewhere in your mind you would want to get ahead also of in this relationship. So you have your own greener side in your mind that this is happen, this thing will happen like this will happen as per my expectations or so. There's a lot of passion happening in this relationship, but trust me, it is not taking you anywhere. So if you are into this kind of a relationship, you're dealing with someone who's a separated person, who's not financially, who's not officially divorcee, or someone who's actually into a lot of luxuries, who loves, luxurious lives, and then you are becoming a part of a luxury only for him or her. So refrain yourself from getting into this relationship. Also, if you are making a move in third week, looks like that you will make a move, or you will think about making a move from one relationship to the other. My suggestion to you is that do not make a move until and unless you are not sure about the person. So relationship is going to be very important in this month for you. Relationship is going to be going through ups and downs here. Relationship is something from where you want to make a move towards something else, but then I will again warn you, it is a signal which is coming. I will not suggest you to make a move in a relationship in the month of December, because the energies are toxic, energies are devilish, and I will not advise you to make a move. So think and evaluate in the month of December rather than making a move. Okay. People who are looking for career advice in the month of December, I will say second week, and second week is going to be very beautiful week from a career perspective. You will have new opportunities occurring to you, coming to you, and third week is giving you a proper stamp on these relationships. Ace of Wands has appeared here. It is talking about a new start, new beginning about something. So not only your emotional side, but then you will have a financial side also will have a new start, kick start in the month of December. So by third week you will see developments happening, you will see some progress starting to happen from second week. So there you can be assured that things are taking you towards the right direction. Now let's quickly pull a card, pull two cards rather. One is your angels advice in the month of December, what exactly the angels are telling you to do or not to do or be careful about in the month of December, and what exactly is your relationship area turns out to be in the month of December, and what the god is telling you to do or not do in the month of December 2020. There isn't a soul on the planet who doesn't crave your approval, but then this card says that uh, everyone loves you. You might feel that people around you, they all need you, but then it is you, your mind, who will decide who's a friend, who's a foe. So If you will invest your energies into a wrong person, you will not get the right kind of a thing. And if you will invest your energies in the right kind of people, then only you will get right kind of outcomes. I had shown you this card. This card actually relates to your relationship card. It is talking about understanding the difference between a friend and a foe, so that you are able to find out and then make a concrete decision in the month of December. I will again say, don't make a decision thing in December. Evaluate, 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 and just evaluate for 2021 to become a better year for you. Your angels are telling you that you need to make a God box now. It's a good thing. So December is the month you're going to make a God box. Take a box, a small box, make it, consider it like a God box. Whatever worries you, whatever your problems are, just write them on a sticky and then fold it and put it under in the God box, and tell God that, this is my worry point and I am worried about this, and please help me take away these worries from me towards the pit. And then, the Michael had the way he had put in the Lucifer into the pit. I suggest and I request my angels to take away all my worries and then put them under a pit somewhere. Okay, so this is how the month looks like to me for you, Leo. Take care of yourself, be happy, be nice to people around you, and God bless you.